Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Sezam AI. In order to do so, here we are at Sezam.ai, and we're trying this for the first time. So we're going to go ahead and click on Try It Now for quality visuals on demand. Generate the perfect videos, photos, illustrations, and logos. Let's see what Sezam's all about. We're going to go ahead and continue with Google. Keep it simple. Just a couple clicks of the button here, and here we go. What wonders will you create today? We have create tools. For tools, we have image generation, image modification, image enhancement, and we have video generation. Let's see creations here. So I believe this is where we're going to be finding our creations once we get to that point. Let's take a look here at the credits. So we have for our hobby subscription, 200 credits per month. We could subscribe to that. We've got the standard, the pro, and the enterprise. Okay, let's see what we can do on the free tier. It doesn't look like we have any credits, so I'm not sure how much we're going to get away with here, but we're going to try it out and see how far we can get with Sezam. So let's go ahead and we'll generate an image. We can watch some tutorials. Inspiration page coming soon. Let's go ahead and describe your new image. All right, let's see. A green hooded hero in a fantasy forest. See there. We could select our model. So we have private models. Okay, so we've got Nova, Neo Shade, Pixel, 3D Animation, Moody, Generalist. We got Flux. Different couple models for that. Duotone, Nitro Photo. So Bangalore, Flat World, Little Monsters. All right, so these are the different models we can use. Well, let's just go ahead and just leave that as is. We can, let's see, how many are we going to be generating? So we can do up to 6. Change our aspect ratio. Go ahead and go with 16:9. Got our settings here. CFG guidance scale. This function adjusts how much the image will resemble your prompt. Higher values keep the image closer to your prompt. Okay, so let's go ahead and go up with that. This allows you to adjust the level of detail on the image. The more the color is, the more the image will tend to be detailed. Okay, well, we'll just leave it at that. Here we can enter our seed. Different seed numbers produce different images. If you keep the same seed number and the same parameters, you will create the same image. All right, go ahead and leave that as is. And let's go ahead and the moment of truth. It does say that this costs no money to use. So let's go ahead and try it out. Oh, it says we got to select the model. So let's do that. Let's go ahead and let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead and try out the Nova 3 here. Let's see. Go ahead and use that. We can also favorite that. Let's go ahead and add that to our favorites. We're going to say use. Okay, so now that we've selected a model, it's telling us how much it's going to cost. And it says that it's going to cost 3 credits in order to be able to generate this image. Now, let's see if we have any models here that might be free. We'll go ahead and try Moody. That's going to cost us 2. So unfortunately, we aren't going to be able to generate an image, but this is just to kind of give you an idea of what to expect with Sezam. And it doesn't look like we are getting any free credits with Sezam. So usually I like to test out a platform if I'm going to go with a subscription. So that at least gives you some idea of what it is that you can expect with Sezam. Let's see. Let's go ahead and take a look at closer look here at some of the tools we have available. So we have our generated images. We can animate an image, remove background, do upscaling, remix an image. We could teleport objects or people to new locations. It's kind of cool. Generate videos, do image retouch, insert an element. So we've got some cool options here. Generate images, remix an image, image modification. So this is pretty much what we were looking at there before. We've got video generation. Let's go ahead and try the video generation. Let's see what we can get out of it. Yeah, that's going to cost 25 credits. So if you want to get the full experience with Sezam, then you are going to need to get a subscription. So I just want to see if, do we have any good examples? So here we go. So you can see for yourself what some other people have done with Sezam. You can see that we definitely get some good quality. That's really nice. And you kind of see here that the cars are going in the wrong direction. A little bit of morphing there in the background. Somewhat to be expected. It kind of is what it is when it comes to AI generation. That looks really nice. The cutting of the tomatoes, that looks very clean. It's a nice looking tiger there. So this gives you an idea of everything that you can do with Sezam, and the results speak for themselves. There's definitely some nice stuff here to play around with. And we'll go ahead and leave it at that. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the link in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations. Also, you can find a link to our YouTube page and our X page. We just got started on X. We'd love to have you there. You'll also find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars. And if you use discount code Skillcraft60, you can get 60% off your subscription with Sintra AI. Sintra is a fantastic tool that is perfect for business strategy. Whether you're a new business owner or an established business owner, if you take advantage of Sintra AI, Sintra can get to know you and your business and offer some tailored suggestions so that you and your business can take things to the next level. It's one of the best tools that I have found. There's so many different options out there when it comes to AI tools, but Sintra is really doing something unique and offers true value. Also, you can find a link to Cider AI. If you're unfamiliar with Cider, it's a extension that works into your Chrome browser, and you can basically have access to an AI chatbot at all times. It's a fantastic tool. I love using Cider. It's one of my favorite AI tools, and it's just so handy to have this here at any given time. We also have EnzoBot. We'll just take a quick look at EnzoBot, where you can get access to a variety of AI agents. There's just so much content here to explore: social media, business operations, sales, marketing, blog, and content writing. You can find and pitch leads, generate a client proposal, weekly LinkedIn content. I mean, there's just so much here to explore. Also, if you want to get started with Roamless eSIM, go ahead and click on that link. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.